Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the tripod from the company CAMBOFOTO. This is model SAB265. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So I apologize in advance, this thing's rather large. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, then we'll get it put outside, see what it looks like. It comes in a nice cloth carrying case with a zipper. This is going to be our camera mount. Tripod itself, and then the adjusting arms. And then this is going to be our cell phone adapter. We'll talk about that here in a second. So the assembly of this is really a piece of cake. I mentioned that you get this piece. All you're going to do is simply screw it on the top here. This is going to be what holds either your camera or your cell phone. What I really like about this company is it comes with an adapter already on it. So this is going to be what you use to mount your camera. The thing I said I like about them is they also give you this extra one that you are going to use with your cell phone mount. And if you've ever bought a tripod before, a lot of times what they'll do is they'll give you one of these and then you constantly have to take your camera off, put your cell phone mount. Well, with this company, because they give you this extra one, we're simply going to put our cell phone mount on this one. My camera's on there. When I want to put my cell phone on, all I'm going to do is take my camera off, put my cell phone on. So really nice, makes it easy to switch out those two things. So that part, there's nothing to it. You've got your adjusting arm. You're simply going to stick that in the hole down here and thread it in. It's going to allow you to adjust your camera. Let's take a look at the cell phone adapter real quick. You can actually take it off of here if you want to just use it threaded at the bottom. It does turn if you're wanting to adjust the way you're using your cell phone, and then it's adjustable. So you simply pull the top to expand it to make it larger, and then it will automatically collapse on whatever size cell phone you've got. The only other thing you have is these pieces here. All they are is your feet. You've got 3 of them. Simply going to take those out of the bag, turn over your tripod, and there's your feet. And as you might imagine, they are adjustable, so you can turn them any direction you want, especially if you're on unlevel ground, to get you a nice base. I wanted to show you this model has nice aluminum on the side here, and then you've got the padded handle here for grabbing it. Got your arm to adjust it. It's pretty tight. You can loosen this stuff. And then of course you've got this that you can adjust as well. They have it taped, so I have to remove this first. But that's so you can turn your camera to the side, or again, if you're on unlevel ground and you need to adjust it, you can. And then this you can tighten up, this you can tighten. Let's get it outside and I'll show you the full size of it. So I wanted to give you some quick measurements. If you've got it down or collapsed as much as you can, basically your minimum height is about 20 inches. So that's as small as you can make it. And then you've got these little extension pieces, pretty similar to other tripods, where you can adjust your height. And you can stop at any point in there. You don't have to go all the way down, but you can expand that, expand it more, and this one gets really tall. So I'm going to expand every one of my feet and I'll show you how tall it gets. All right, so here it is fully extended. It will get up to 63 inches tall. So if you're somebody like me, you like being outside doing some wildlife photography, maybe moonshot, something like that, you can go anywhere from 20 inches to 63 inches in height. It is nice and sturdy because the feet adjust. And because you can set the length at any level you want to, it's really easy to get this nice and straight. I did want to mention also that it does have a level on it to make sure that you've got your tripod nice and level. If you're looking for a nice, sturdy tripod to use, give this one a chance. I think you're gonna like it.